I'm Jonathan Cohen from Nextlaw, and together with my associate Dan Joffe, we are at the helm of a firm dedicated to defending against stunt driving and DUI charges across Ontario. Each case that lands on our desk is strategized as if it were our own. And through the myriad of calls that I handle on a daily basis, I've noticed a pressing question that many people have, which is, what are the risks of actually going to trial for a stunt driving charge? Now, for those unfamiliar with the legal system, our perceptions of a trial are often colored by these dramatic courtroom showdowns on TV. But let's ground this in reality with a look at the stunt driving process. First, there's the roadside penalties. The first step after being charged with stunt driving in Ontario is facing that immediate roadside penalty, that 30-day license suspension, that 14-day vehicle impoundment. This is unchangeable in law. No negotiations, no matter the outcome of the trial. Now, let's look at court dates. Your initial court date, your first appearance, is merely an administrative one, not the occasion to present your defense. It is more of a procedural check-in, providing updates and evidence related to your case. Now, let's look at the trial decision. Some unrepresented individuals, they eagerly request a trial date and driven by a variety of motives, disputing the speed they're accused of, or fear of an insurance hike, or believing there was a justifiable reason for their speed. However, clear your mind of these notions. A trial is a battle of facts, not emotions. It revolves around the officer's evidence, radar readings, and technical details. Stunt driving falls under something called strict liability, meaning the court isn't concerned with your intent or why behind your actions. It's whether you were driving significantly over the speed limit. So what are the risks of going to trial? Opting for a trial means no more negotiations. You are now in the legal ring defending against the charge itself. And if the verdict isn't in your favor, you're at the sentencing phase. Here, you're not dodging a penalty. It's just the degree of it. So the minimum penalty is a year without your license, but that could stretch to 3 years. Fines, they're going to start at minimum $2,000 and stretch all the way up to $10,000. And there's the looming threat of jail time. So before you charge headlong into a trial or get swayed by a legal representative who may be pushing for one, seek comprehensive legal counsel. Understand the risks of a trial versus the benefits of a strategy that might avoid it. Your license, your job, your family, it all hangs in the balance. Smart, informed decisions are critical when navigating the repercussions of a stunt driving charge.